You bomb our schools. You bomb our cancer patients. You bomb our universities. You're not a liberator. You are a bully with a button, and bullies always lose. They told us help is on the way. We waited, we watched, and then the bridges fell. Not a military target, a bridge used by ordinary Iranians to go to work, to take their children to school, to live. Donald Trump bragged about destroying it. The biggest bridge in Iran comes tumbling down, much more to follow. Listen to him, bragging like a child proud of breaking someone's toy. This is the man who thinks he can send us back to the Stone Age. The same man convicted of felonies. He called himself a leader. We call him a clone in a suit. He threatens our power plants, our water, our bridges. And now he wants to help Iranians. Help? You bomb our schools. You bomb our cancer patients. You bomb our universities. You're not a liberator. You are a bully with a button, and bullies always lose. They bombed one bridge, but here is what they will never understand. While they destroyed bridges of steel, we built bridges between people with different political perspectives between Iran and the world. They bombed a bridge, we built thousands. Watch our video, Iran war bombed, buried, ignored, homes like this one here, and rubble. Watch our video on UNESCO sites, a 400-year-old mosque cracked by their strikes. Watch our video, Iran war when Muslims wept for a Christian brother buried by his Muslim neighbors. That is their help. They bombed Mubarak Oil Company, the mother industry of Iran, and several petrochemical complexes, hundreds of thousands of workers. They bombed livelihoods. They bombed a cancer drug factory. They bombed hope. They bombed Pasteur Institute, a vaccine facility. They bombed the future. They bombed our universities. Iran University of Science and Technology, Shahid Beheshti University, Isfahan University of Technology. They bombed our minds. And now they threaten our power plants and desalination plants, our electricity, our drinking water. They want to send us back to the Stone Age. And they call this freedom. Freedom is not a bridge in ruins. Freedom is not 168 students buried in Minab. Freedom is not a cancer patient begging for medicine. Freedom is not a mother pulling her child from rubble at 3 a.m. Freedom is not a university turned into dust. Freedom is not sitting in the dark. Freedom is not drinking salt water. When there is a fire in the forest, the animals run, but the trees stand, because the trees have roots that go deep, roots that have held the soil for thousands of years. We are not animals running from the fire. We are trees, and we are not going anywhere. They thought we would panic. They thought we would beg. Instead, we filmed. We buried our dead. We built bridges they cannot bomb. Help was nowhere on the way. but justice is. We are still here, and we are not going anywhere. Share these videos, talk to your family, call your representatives, make noise. Silence is what they count on. We need you before it's too late.